Hello, welcome back to Maths with Great Adept. I'm going to try to sort this out on the board. As you can see, using a method called swap method. So I will start. I'll swap this to y functions. I'm going to have y equals root x minus 3 all over 4. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to make x the subject here. Just listen, see the magic. I'm going to get rid of this. So let's use another different color pen. I'm going to get rid of this, meaning I have to multiply both sides by 4. So I'm going to recopy. I'm going to have 4y is equal to root x minus 3. Remember, I'm making x the subject. I'm going to get rid of this, write down the inverse, which is add 3 on both sides. Recopy, I'm going to have 4y plus 3 is equal to root x. Can you see? Keep going, you're getting there. I'm going to get rid of my root, write down the inverse, which is square. So I'm going to have 4y plus 3, everything squared, is equal to x. Can you see what happened just there right now? Now, remember the topic, remember the method I'm using, swap method. So I'm going to recopy into this space right now. So it's going to be swap. I'll write it down so that you understand exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to swap the letter x for y and y for x. So that means I'm going to have my y back equals 4 inside the bracket. Instead of me having 4y, I'm going to have 4x plus 3. Have you tried this method before? Remember, I'm not looking for the function of y. I'm looking for what? The inverse function of g of x. So I'm going to write it down nicely as my final answer. Can you see that? 4x plus 3, everything squared. Done. Isn't that awesome? Try it. You will see. And tell me later. Now the next question, which is this, okay? Said, I have to solve this function when it is equal to 2. So what will I do? Any idea? Okay, it means I have to substitute this. Look at it. Substitute this into this. Can you see? Alright, let's start. That means I'm going to replace this letter x you're looking at in here with this expression. Okay, let's start. So I will recopy my root 3x minus 2, extend your root, then minus 3, which is this 3 here, everything all over 4. Well done. Then don't forget your 2. Bring it down. Is equal to 2. Don't forget. Now let's start. So, okay. Let's start solving. I'm going to get rid of this, meaning I have to multiply both sides by 4. Recopy. I'm going to have my root into 3x minus 2. Extend it a little bit. Minus 3 is going to be equal to what? 8. If I get rid of this, add 3 on both sides, recopy, I'm going to have, don't be in a hurry, just take it step by step, minus 2, extend my roots, make sure you do that, is going to be equal to what? 11. Now what do I do next? I can't get rid of this 2. Don't try that. The only option I have here, neither can I get rid of this. Nope. The only option I have is to get rid of my root, meaning I have to square both sides. Can you see that? So if I'm to do that, I'm going to have 3x minus 2 is going to be equal to 11 squared. Can you see? Okay, recopy. I'm going to have 3x minus, get rid of that. So it's going to be add 2 on both sides. So I'm going to have 1 plus 2 should give me what? 1, 2, 3. All right, 123. Divide both sides by divide both sides with 3. I'm going to get what? X to be equal to what? Thank you very much. 41. And that's it done. Very well done. Easy peasy. Can you see? Alright, you take care. See you in my next video. Bye.